Hello and welcome to Vintage Magazine Monday, Rod and Custom, June 1958. Halfway through the year, we got some speed tuning, how to get the most out of your engine, showing off the tails of some cars because we got up-to-date taillight tips, simple swaps, bolt-ons, and accessories, plus shaping your own plastic lenses. Neat little taillight special edition. Of course, we'll start off with our table of contents. Don't monkey around. Subscribe today. Of course, we got the starting line. Always a good place to start. Cool little picture there. As always, I'll show some of the text if you guys want to pause and read at your own pace. Reader's right or wrong. How to do it. Bless them all. And can rides again. Here we got the Auto March. What's new in auto accessories? We got some tubular chrome bars, 5, 6, and 7 Fords and 56 Chevrolets from California Custom. One of the best looks for a grill. We got conversion for column shift to floor shift. We got here, we got an open wrench. Here we got the 1958 Drag Racing Handbook. It's good to have if you're going to head into the strips. Here we have the taillight tails. Photos by Winfield, Barris, and Spence. Started off with just a little dot on the back end. Now they've adorned the entire rear of some cars. Here are some of our bolt-on options. Glamorizing your car with a screwdriver and pliers. Check out some of those original options that were available back in the 50s. Continuing on, we've got replacement example, typical custom lenses, simple to install. The ever popular satellite taillights. Easy as remove, install, and replace for a really cool custom look. Shape your own plastic lenses. Only your imagination limits you. Remove your old taillights. Make a template. Cut it to shape. Cut out your plastic lenses. Smooth in shape with a grinder, some other tools, until you end up with your own unique design. A couple of vertical splits in his taillights. And we can move on to the radical bit. Shoving metal around takes experience. 57 gun sights. Plus a shoebox Ford, and gets you some cool looking taillight. Of course, you gotta cut and work the metal around to have those sweet looking taillights. Finished product looks pretty darn sharp. We got some more radical roundup. Far from simple. Each example here has its own merits. We got aerial in a channel. Half an exhaust tube was worked above Packard lens on a Chevy. Packard lens is always a great option. Here we got a Chrysler light in an unfamiliar setting. This 57 lens warns of a radical custom ahead. Some huge quarter scallops in that one. This one here, Oldsmobile lens on an Oldsmobile But years differ. Note the peekaboo opening showing skyward. The familiar Cadillac fin remains, but the lens opening has been changed to take a murk unit. Good luck there. Another solution for this 49 to 51 Ford product. A Vicky has been fitted with Corvette units. Another great example, similar to those 57 gun sights. Of course, again, no metalwork at first glance. We got those satellite taillights there. Down below, we got some wild custom ones. A sheet lucite was shaped to fill the outward canted openings built into the car of this radically reworked Corvette. Pretty wild fins there. How about some 58 Edsel taillights in the back of this pickup? Really cool looking truck there. And we got some vertical lenses for our 49 to 51 Fords. Neat piece there. Moving along. Frank Poley's 50 Ford is known as the Far West Cutie. Pretty sharp looking right there. Frank Poley's 50 Ford is typical of hundreds of cars of this model still undergoing extensive changes. However, it is doubtful if any cleaner, more truly sanitary example can be found. Owner Poley seldom drives this cutie for fear of subjecting it to rigors of fender bashing traffic. His transportation consists of another 50 Ford. Interesting taillight treatment on this car is shown in the How to Do It form on the pages 20 to 23 of this issue, which we've seen earlier. In view at right can be seen the Frenched headlights with chrome-lined rims, the barreled grille, and the downward curved chrome trim, which cleverly leads the eye down to the scooped fender skirts with two small teeth. The skirts there. Again, there's the seen the gun sights added to the rear of that one. Have two-toned nugget hide upholstery. And onto our speed tuning section. Talking about carburation. Of course, timing of the hot spark. All things to go fast. Spark advance. Carl's Rolland Stone, Texas record holder. When asked to list the types of cars previously owned, owner Stone replied, "Man, just name it. I've either just sold it, have it now, or know where to get it." And that pretty much sums up his Dallas, Texas enthusiast interest in things automotive. A whole host of machinery preceded the Rolland Stone, but the Super Sanitary Deuce is the favorite one. At the 57 Nationals, and car was BSR class winner with an ET of 1332, trap speed of 109.85. Power source is a 302 cubic inch Chevy bored to 4 inches with Isky cam and lifters, Edelbrock manifold. Ignition is by Vertex Mag. Look at that open roads through there. There is the sweet combo. The entire front suspension is chromed, while all visible bright work was put through the replating treatment. Neat as a pin, Stone never makes the drag strip tour without its own equally neat push truck. Note moon discs on all 8 wheels. Roadster slicks are 710 by 15 Inglewoods. Showing that chrome blinging off the front there. Looks like a fun combo. The informed one. A little storytelling. The rods and customs in miniature. Building a rail racing chassis. Part 3. Kind of continuation of what we've been seeing in the slot car department. We're building the track this go around. Incandescent custom. This Washington-bred Ford Custom bears no radical innovations, yet is a head-turner due to careful use of side trim, up-to-date two-tone combination, and Merc-like front end, which brings up opinions as to the car's true identity. The nosed and rounded hood is stock 51 Ford, but the grill opening is a 50 Merc and the bumper teeth a 53 Merc. A shot of the interior. Condescend's Customs interior features a padded dash, contrasting red and white Naugahyde, and lavish use of chrome plating. Car is a 51 model. There with the top down. Good looking stripe work on it. Custom via mail. Joe Balian whips up an eye-catching moderate for an Alaskan station airman. Consider the plight of Tom Woods, who wanted a custom in the worst way, but found himself smack dab in the middle of Alaska. It wasn't that he didn't have a car to be customized. He had a 52 Ford back home in Hayward, California. It was just that he'd let no one touch it other than Bodyman Deluxe Joe Balian, and the two were separated by some 2,400 miles. So the problem was left in the hands of the U.S. mails, letters flying thick and fast with estimates, suggestions, progress reports, and the findings of Tom's parents, who dropped into Balian's shop and incidentally snapped the photos showing the two-door in the works. Pretty cool. Having your custom built while you're stationed away. Looks like Joe turned out a nice one there. Some in-progress pics. More progress pics. We got the taillight treatment. Some more of the final product. Really sharp, clean looking unit. Pretty mild for what you see Joe Balian known for. But still really well done. Jagnick, a little story. Show Me State Custom. We got up here, hefty output produced by Mill as evidence of careful tuning and choice of top-notch speed equipment. Owner Frank boasts that his Vicky is the only Missouri 55 running fins. They were originally Studes. Sorry about that. Check out the fins there on the back. Check the dash. New instruments were added to keep track of things beneath the nosed hood, and include tachometer, fuel pressure gauge, and oil heat indicator. The dash striping is the work of California's own specialist, Von Dutch. Pencil's Red Eraser. Going truck is a Red Eraser. That is a mean looking truck there. If you look at it. Hefty 296-inch Thunderbird engine emits an ear-shattering blast with its skyward-pointing stacks. Bob fenders are trimmed to the point of near non-existence, yet they qualify for truck for street use. On a highway, though, exhaust is necessarily rerouted. Look at that engine setup. All the lightning holes done. This upholstery is enamel black, no Naugahyde, nothing unnecessary in this Speedster. A very aggressive looking truck, very cool. Get the air and see. Those are like their comics. Got some more of our readers' rights. And apparently there's an ad that the previous owner needed cut out. Reader's Car of the Month. Last of our readers' rights. The paint query. Wrapping her up. Got some Casey Whitney ad. Last of our readers' rights, talking about $25 a quart for paint. No way paint costs that much. And a Rod Custom. We are halfway through 58. Moving on to the second half. If you want to see what's coming up, a little sneak preview there, or the year in review. Of course, we'll finish her off with the back pressure, talking about go-kart and two-stroke engines. And with that, that'll wrap it up for this week. Pretty light one this week, but if you made it to the end, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.